Welcome to Shipati Educational Online Classes. So today we are going to see brush tool in Photoshop. So what is brush tool in Photoshop? We are going to see here. If you want to use the brush tool, you need to press B from the keyboard. So here you can see all the properties that are related to the brush tool come just below to the menu bar. So here you can see the size of the brush, the color which you want to use, and if you want to select some another tools, then right click from your mouse and then choose from this list. First one is a brush tool, second is pencil tool, third one is a color replacement tool, and the fourth one is a mixer brush tool. Or if you want to select these tools with the help of the shortcut key, then you need to press shift plus B from the keyboard. So here you can see tools are changing. You can see just below to the menu bar. See, and also you can see in the toolbar the brushes are changes. So first of all, I am going to select the brush tool, right click from the mouse and then select the brush tool. Here I am going to unlock this layer. Okay. After that, here you can see, as I told you, this is the size of the brush. You can increase the size of the brush and also you can increase and decrease the size of the hard brush and the hardness also. Here are some predefined brushes are here. So you can select it from here also. Now I am going to increase the size, that is 111 pixels, and then paint it over the canvas. This is the opacity. If I want, then I will decrease it. See, when I decreased the opacity, so the color is transparent. See, increase कर दिया. So what you see, color is opaque. Now I want to decrease the hardness. See, if I want to increase the hardness, see, अभी यहाँ कैसा लग रहा है कि कुछ ब्लर ब्लर सा दिख रहा है, और जैसे ही मैंने हार्डनेस इंक्रीज कर दी तो डार्कन अमाउंट में आ गया. ये देखो, अभी हमने यहाँ देखा जहाँ हमारी हार्डनेस कम थी, अगर हमने हार्डनेस कम करी हुई है तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, लाइट कलर में है. Then here you can see hardness is increase and the color is low in the blurriness. Here the mode, you can use the mode. By default it is in the normal mode. After that you can use it in a dissolve mode, behind mode, clear mode, darken. अगर मैं darken select किया तो see, if I am selecting color burn, see. If I am selecting linear burn, dark. If I am selecting screen, these are some different modes. आपने एक बार पेंट कर दिया, उसके ऊपर आपको different effects देने हैं, so you can use it. See, linear. So different types of modes are here. You can, first of all you paint it, and after that you can use this modes. Soft light. See, soft light. कई बार हमें बैनर्स बनाने पड़ते हैं, so we will use this modes. vivid, or we can also say that vivid, linear light, pen light, hard mix, difference, different modes are here. Exclusion, see. So this is the working of the brush tool. Now we come on to the second point, that is, so from here I'm going to open the brush setting and we are going to see the brush setting here from here. Now I am clicking on this. From here I am going to select the brush setting, and from the brush setting you can see different types of brushes, predefined brushes are here. If I'm selecting this brush and I want to change the shape of the brush, like first of all increase and decrease the size of the brush, and after that I'm going to scatter this brush, so it will make some types of spaces in the brush. See, so the brush shape is going to be changed here. Texture you can also use. So these are some different properties that you are using, and if I'm going to select another brush, size is increasing, and this is a brush shape. Here you can see this is the shape of the brushes, and I'm going to select this and increase the size. Click on to the scatter, then see the brush shape is change. What you see here, you can see this, the shape of the brush is change. अब मैंने यहाँ से select कर लिया, and here I am going to draw something. See what effect comes. How beautiful is that? And ये ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि अभी जो मोड सिलेक्टेड है वो है डिफरेंस, और डिफरेंस का मतलब क्या हुआ? आधा वैसा और आधा वैसा अलग आ रहा है कलर्स। अगर मैंने इसे नॉर्मल पे कर दिया एंड से बैक कर दूं, तो सी पूरा कितना सुंदर उसमें पेंट हुआ है। अगर मुझे यहाँ पे किसी ब्लैक कलर से टेक्सचर देना है, रेड कलर ले लेती हूँ मैं, एंड देन सी और मुझे यहाँ पे ग्रीन कलर भी यूज कर सकती हूँ मैं। तो इस तरीके से आप ब्रश सेटिंग पे क्लिक करके ब्रश टिप शेप में जाके यहाँ से ब्रश सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, फिर अपने हिसाब से उसको स्कैटरिंग जो भी आपको यूज करना है उसका साइज को इंक्रीज डिक्रीज करके स्कैटर पे जाके यहाँ से स्कैटर इंक्रीज डिक्रीज करके, अब यहाँ से मैं एक कलर ये चूज कर लेती हूँ। मैंने इस तरीके का ब्रश बना लिया है, एंड सी what a good texture come here. If I'm selecting some another color like red, then okay, red, then okay. See how beautiful is that? Or you can increase decrease the opacity. I have told you about this. So thank you. Please stay safe and don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.